numbers 16 through 20 for day 3. All right, 16. Which table contains only corresponding x values and y values where the value of y is 3 more than the quotient of x and 2? Okay, this one simply says which one has the right x and y values for when y is 3 more, so plus 3. Then the quotient, which means division, of x and 2. So x over 2. Okay? This one says which one gives you the right points. So this is what I'm looking for. You can do this one on decimals. You can absolutely do this one on decimals, okay? So what I would do is I would go ahead and pull up decimals. And I would add a table. Okay? Below my table, I'd go ahead and write my correct equation in. So y1, squiggly line, mx1 plus b. Yes, I know mine are caps for some stupid reason. I have no idea. Oh, maybe because the cap lock button is on. But whatever. I like to change the colors. So I'm going to press and hold this one until the screen pops up and color it orange. Connect my lines. No, not really. Kind of just want the points. But I like collecting lines because I'm that person. All right, now I'm going to add my first table. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and see what works. Notice that all of the x values are the same. So you won't have to change your x values. You'll simply have to change your y values. So for x, I'm going to type in 7, 10, 14, 17. Because those are the appropriate x values right here. Now my y values are going to change. I need to know, okay, if y is 5, cool. How about 6.5? On your STAAR exam, you need to be aware that you only actually need, oops, I went too far. You only actually need 2 points. It was giving me weird values. See? Okay, it changed. So this one says my slope is 1/2. My y-intercept is 1/5. Now my y-intercept should actually be 3. So that one's out. Let's try G, where 7 is 6.5 and 10 is 8. So 7, 6.5, 10, 8. Oh, well, this one gives me a 3 as my y-intercept and a 0.5 as my slope, which lines up because x, how many x's do you see? 1. So it's 1 over 2x plus 3. Uh-oh, I've got 3 as my b and 1/2 as my m. That one might work. Let's try H, where 7 is 3.5 and 10 is 5. Okay, 3.5 and 5. This one gives me a slope of 1/2, but a y-intercept of 0. That's where I go wrong at that y-intercept. So H is wrong. Try J, where 7 is 0.5 and 10 is 2. 0.5, oops, and 2. My y-intercept is -3. Can't be right because my original equation said 3 more, not 3 less. So my only answer choice is G. Okay? Desmos worked most of this for you. So again, it is a tool you can use on your STAAR exam. Let's try 17. A ball shaped like a sphere has a radius of 2.7 centimeters. Which measurement is closest to the volume of the ball in cubic centimeters? Cool. I need my formula chart. My formula chart says V for a sphere, a ball, because I know a ball is a sphere. Think of any type of ball. It's a sphere. I know V is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cubed to the third power. So let's see. V is equal to 4 over 3. Pi is 3.14. R, it says my radius is 2.7 centimeters. So that's going to be 2.7 cubed. Okay? As long as you set it up properly, you should get the right answer. So let's go straight to decimals because, again, it's a calculator. Miss Calco is going to use it. So here we go. Clear and clear. And let's type this in. 4/3. 4 divided by 3. Parentheses. Pi. 3.14. Close my parentheses. Times 2.7. And I need to cube it. So I'm going to go down here where it says a to the b power. And I'm just going to change and add a 3. Okay? 4 over 3 pi r cubed to the third power. And that gives me 82.40616. The closest one to 82.40616 is B. 82.45. Awesome. All right, next one. Alejandra and her family are discussing how to pay for her college education. The cost of tuition at the college that Alejandra wants to attend is $9,000 per year. Alejandra's parents will pay 85% of the tuition cost each year or every year. She will pay the rest. Alejandra has 1 year to save enough money to attend her first year of college. What is the minimum amount of money she should save each month? All right, cool. Well, in order to attend, she owes $9,000. So let's put how much she owes right there. This one is college savings, which is very important for you, seeing as you're in 8th grade. You've got 4 years to start saving that money. So might as well start planning now. So she's got $9,000. Her parents will pay 85% of it. Well, I need to know what 85% of it is. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply 9,000 times the decimal of 85%. So 85%, the decimal's at the back. I need to Dr. Pepper it or move it 2 times to the left to figure out how much they're paying. So let's see. 9,000 times 0.85. They're paying $7,650 of it. So let's go ahead and subtract how much her parents are going to pay. And next to it, I'm going to put parents. So I can remember exactly how much they're paying. So 9,000 minus $7,650 leaves me with $1,350. She has to pay the rest. Alejandra has 1 year to save the money. What's the minimum amount she can save every month? Well, I need to know. Well, $1,350. I have 12 months to save it. Let's see. $1,350. $1,350 divided by 12 months. Well, the minimum she can save is $112.50. Right there. Okay? This was a basic college financial planning question. Okay? Not too difficult. 19. The coordinates of the vertices of a quadrilateral are 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 4, 4, 2. Quadrilateral PRST is reflected across the y-axis to create quadrilateral P prime, R prime, S prime, T prime. Which rule describes this transformation? Well, I don't actually have to plot anything down. But what I do need to know is when I reflect across y stays the same and X has to change. My rule is right there based on that simple wording, and that leaves me with B. Okay? And the last one, which situation represents a proportional relationship? Well, I know a proportional relationship has the same thing, okay? It's going to compare apples and apples. It won't have anything different, okay? Proportional is all about X, so it's only going to deal with whatever the X is. So let's go through F. The cost of purchasing a basket of oranges, so let's say the oranges is X, is per pound, plus $5 for the basket. Well, my basket is now Y. Proportional, I'm only going to be talking about one thing, only my X. So automatically, this one's gone. It's got that Y. The cost of purchasing peaches per box. Okay, cool. So my peaches are going to be my X. With a delivery charge of $3. Well, the delivery is now going to be my Y. That one's out. The cost of purchasing grapefruit per pound. Oh, okay, X. With a coupon for $1 off the total cost. Well, I'm going to subtract now for a Y with my coupon. So now that one's out. All right, the cost of purchasing apples is $1.75 per pound. Plus a shipping fee. Okay, so apples per pound. Cool, that's my X. Plus a shipping fee of $1.16 per pound. Oh, wait. It's a shipping fee, right? But it's per pound of apples still. Oh, they tried to trick you there. So if you got $1.75 per pound of apples, then 16 cents per pound of apples. So those two things are actually the same. So the only thing left to do is realize, hey, if it's the same thing, they're both X's, so it's got to be the same letter. So it's all proportional.